Hello guys, it's Dhanush Kumar. Welcome to my channel Dhanush Kumar. In this video, we are going to discuss about the methods in Smalley. As you know, the methods are the building blocks, or you can say a group of instructions which are considered as a method. So we are going to see how how it looks in Smalley, the methods, how are the conventions and all. So first we have here methods in Smalley. As you can see it might be familiar to you, this code. So this is a very familiar code. As you can see here, you can see this is a very familiar code. Whenever you decompile any app, you will get this code, that is on create, method protected on create, and also you can see these all of the code, and we will have an return method. So we are going to discuss detail about these methods and all, how it is constructed and how it's convinced. So at last we have an example of method private enter. So in first the small we will have here method, and we will have the method type, that is it is private, public, protected, static or anything like that, and we will have the name of the method, and then we will have the inputs, and at last we have the, that is return value or the output. So at the end we have the return type, that is if it is integer type it will return integer, and we will have return here we have void, that is nothing is returning, so here it is return void. So we have another example. So in methods we also have the methods which accepts the input. You can see we have an example method called as method private, that is type of the method is private, and we have the name as validate, and inside we have two parameters, that is two strings are taken as input and nothing is returned, that is void is returned. So you can see this all it will run, the codes will take use of these two strings and it will do some computations, and then it will return void, that is all of the things are done within this, nothing is returned. So also we have another. Now you can see the basic structure of the method here. First we have here method, then we have method type, as you can see private, public or static, then we have method name, the name of the method, and we have parameters. We can have n number of parameters here, like we can input int, string or anything, and we will have the return type here, that is if it is a return type of integer or character or anything like that. So next we have the same type, it will be return type here, which here mentioned the same, it will be return type here. So it is about the clear description about the methods in Smalley. Now I will show in detail about it. So here, so you can see here I have written few methods here. You can see it is static type and it is type, return type is integer. So now I will detail explain about it. So at first you can see here we have method name, and we have type of method, that is static, public, protected or like this, and we have the name of the method, and we have the input here we have two input, that is two integers is taken as input, and the return type is string. So this side it is return type. So here at last it is return type. You can see for string the return statement will be return object, because the strings, arrays and such type of all are called as object. And we are also having another method. I have done many type of examples here. Method static, f is the name, and we have two inputs, that is it will take two parameters, that is two strings, and it will return integer. You can see our output here, you can see return v0, it is the integer. For integer we will just add the return and we will leave it. And we have another example here, method static, here type is static and name is g, and it is also taking two input, and it is return nothing, it is returning void, hence the return type is return void. And you can see another, we have method static method I, it will take two input and it will return it will take two integer and return one integer. You can see for it is normal return v0. Here we have another return type. You can see another method. First we will have method, static name of the method, and we have two input, that is one that is integer and integer, and the return type is j. J is nothing but long. So you can see at the output we have written wide. You can see we have wide. We should mention this wide. For string it is return object, for void it is return void, and for other like return long, short and all, we have return wide and all. So in this type the method is designed in Smalley. So this is how you can understand the method. So here you can see we have Java code. Here it is the method name I, and it is the static type, and it returns integer, and it has two input, int a, and it returns integer. So in this way you can analyze the method. So this is what about the short description about the methods, how it works and how it is written in Smalley. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel.